50 sight words with simple sentences for kids with teacher Paul. Let's begin. The monkey is in the tree. And I like apples and bananas. A big apple, a small apple. Of my toy box is full of toys. Two I like to eat pizza. Is the melon is green. In the dog is in bed. You are happy. That cat is fat. It is raining today. He likes to play football. Was it was cold yesterday. For I play for a team. An apple and an orange. There are 5 pens. As it's as big as my head. With I will come with you. His English is great. They run very fast. I love you. At I wake up at 7 o'clock. B I can't be late. This is my pencil. Have I have a pet dog. Or blue or green. One I have one ruler. Not I do not like tomatoes. All of my friends are fun. We eat dinner at 6 o'clock. Can. Can. Can you swim? She. She. She is my mother. Do. Do. Do you like pizza? How. How. How are you? If. If. If it rains, we will get wet. Up. Up. Look up. So. So. It is raining, so I will take my umbrella. Her. Her. Her name is Emma. Him. Him. My father is fun. I like him a lot. Two. Two. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Go. Go. I go to school at 8 o'clock. See. See. I see with my eyes. No. No. No, I don't play football. My. My. My name is Paul. Day. Day. One day I will be famous. Boy. Boy. There are 10 boys in my class. 3. 3. There are 3 cats. Here. Here. Here is my coat. Mother. Mother. My mother can drive. Father. Father. My father can cook. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Visit www.tutorukabc.com for more fun learning material.